Why do we bake cookies at Christmas? One snowy evening, Sophie was helping her family bake cookies when she had a big question.
Hi Cookie. I love baking and decorating cookies, but why do we do it especially at Christmas?
Great question, Sophie. Let me tell you why baking cookies is such a special Christmas tradition.
Cookie began by explaining what Christmas cookies are.
Christmas cookies are delicious treats that people bake and decorate to celebrate the holiday season.
So, they're like yummy art pieces we can eat.
Cookie explained how baking cookies is a way to share and give.
Baking cookies is a way to share love and joy with family, friends, and neighbors during Christmas.
I love giving cookies to everyone to make them happy.
Cookie shared how baking cookies creates traditions and memories.
Baking cookies together creates special traditions and happy memories that last for years.
That's why I love baking with my family every Christmas.
Cookie explained how decorating cookies lets everyone be creative.
Decorating cookies lets you use your imagination and creativity to make each cookie unique and beautiful.
I love using different colors and shapes to decorate my cookies.
Cookie talked about the symbols and meanings behind Christmas cookies.
Many Christmas cookies have special shapes and decorations that symbolize things like joy, love, and the holiday spirit.
That's why some cookies look like stars, trees, and snowflakes.
Cookie explained how baking cookies brings people together.
Baking and sharing cookies brings people together, creating a sense of community and togetherness during Christmas.
I love seeing everyone come together to enjoy the cookies.
Cookie shared how baking cookies honors Christmas traditions.
Baking cookies honors long-standing Christmas traditions that have been passed down through generations.
That's why it feels so special to bake cookies every year.
Cookie shared an interesting fun fact about Christmas cookies.
Did you know that the tradition of baking Christmas cookies dates back to the 7th century in Persia?
Wow! Christmas cookies have been around for a very long time.
Cookie gave tips on how to enjoy baking cookies with others.
To have fun baking cookies, choose a recipe you like, gather your ingredients, and invite your friends or family to help.
I can't wait to bake more cookies with my family and friends.
There are thousands of different Christmas cookie recipes from around the world.